Hello to all my Foxhella fam. I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhella Kitchen. I'm bringing you 2 fun Mexican recipes this week. First off, we're going to do Huevos Rancheros. It's a simple recipe, but it's so good. And then coming out of the blue corner,
the cold-blooded wrestler from Mexico, El Pollo Loco.
So simple, so easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. First off, to start our rancheros, we're going to go ahead and take a 15-ounce can of black beans and put it into our saucepan here. We're going to turn it up to medium heat and work it around here a little bit. Into that, we're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin.
Okay.
Give it a little bit of punch.
Yeah.
And then we will move on to the next step.
Okay.
Alright guys, it looks like we got our black beans cooked the way through. So what we're going to do is we're going to set these aside and put down a new saucepan. And we're going to put in warm on a medium heat, as we did with the black beans, salsa. Now, Dave and I are lucky enough, we have our own salsa that we make here at Foxhella. So we're just going to warm that and then we'll move on.
Okay.
Okay, now that we've got our salsa heated, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and we're going to warm some tostadas. Alright, let's go ahead and just flip that here and just keep working it over.
Okay.
And now lastly, before we assemble everything, we got to make the most important thing. Do you know what that is, Dave?
A huevo.
A huevos. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of butter down. Just to get it spread out here on the pan. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fry an egg. And then we will assemble it. Yeah. Alright guys, who's hungry? So what I did here, I have all my ingredients that we made here earlier. Is here beside me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our tostada from earlier, put it down here on the plate. To that I'm going to add a little bit of salsa, some of the delicious black beans from earlier, and then some shredded cheese, which we always use block cheese. Just makes things a lot nicer and a lot creamier. Into that we're going to add our fried egg.
Okay.
That look good, Dave?
That looks great.
And to that we're going to add a little bit of avocado, just because I like avocado, and some jalapeno. You can also add some fresh corn on the side also. And there we go, we got Huevos Rancheros. Alright, to start off, I went ahead earlier before we started filming and have a pound of chicken tenders in a marinade here.
Okay.
You could technically have them in 30 minutes or you can keep them in every night. It just depends on how long you like your marinade for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grill off our chicken tenders here. Now Dave, have you ever had Pollo Loco?
No, I've never had it specifically.
So this is something new for both of us?
No, yeah.
But I think I've told you before, I've always want to try something different and kind of expand our horizons here a little bit. And there we go, we're just going to let these grill off then.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's see how we did with our chicken. Oh my, yeah, we definitely got some good old-fashioned grilled chicken here. I love seeing grill marks on anything. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Make sure to keep them nice and warm. And I believe we're going to be moving over to the stove.
Oh, yes.
Alright, now that we're here on the stove, what I'm going to do is I got 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to set my oven here to medium heat. Get that good and going here. Alright, let's go ahead and add our rice. Just work around here and make sure, try and get the oil coated on all this. How are we looking so far, Dave?
Good.
Okay, while our rice is cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of taco seasoning. Doesn't matter whatever brand you prefer. You can even go hot, mild, whatever floats your boat. Into that, we're going to also add a teaspoon of onion salt.
Onion salt.
Yes, got a little tongue-tied there, so I think we're definitely getting there.
Yeah.
And we're just going to let this cook. Well, Dave, will you look at that? The rice is nice and toasty here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of chicken broth here. Into that, we're going to add half a cup of tomato sauce.
Okay, yum.
And we're just going to let the rice cook.
Bring it to a boil.
Yep. You can definitely smell it from here. It smells amazing. So, alright guys, now that everything's cooked, let's go ahead and assemble everything here. I'm going to start off with some of our rice that we made.
That looks good.
Smells really, really good. Get a nice portion there. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah, good portion.
Looking pretty good there.
Uh-huh.
To that, I'm going to add a piece of our chicken from earlier. What do you think? I think that looks pretty good there.
Go ahead, a couple.
Another one?
There
Okay.
you go.
To that, I'm going to add some of my favorite queso cheese. Just basically whatever you prefer. The thing I've learned with queso cheese,
That's good.
a little goes a long way. And to that, we're going to add some diced up Roma tomatoes.
Okay.
And there we have it, guys. Pollo Loco. Alright, now part 1 of our taste test here. Let's see how we did. Got my Huevos Rancheros here. Now you can either use a fork or you can just pick it up by hand here. Salsa adds a nice little bit of bite to it. You guys are going to love it. Enjoy, guys. Once again, now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did with our Pollo Loco here. Got a little bit of the chicken, a little bit of the rice. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to love this. Cheesy, a little bit of spice. So good. You're going to love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.